Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Shriya, and today I am heading to yet again Gurgaon for another live with Amazon. I'm so excited. I got ready in the morning. I woke up at 4. I got ready by 6 and then I ate something, and right now the time is about 6:35, and I think let's get going because I want to reach. So basically जो Amazon live है तो that is from 2 p.m. Exactly. So I have to be in the office by 1 p.m. so that we prepare and all of that. I want to have lunch, of course, वहाँ पर जाके. So I think I would want to reach Gurgaon by 12. And just to be on the safer side, I want to reach by 11:30. So abhi starting में I think I might just fill up my tank. अभी petrol pump से भरवा के सब कुछ sort करके check करके, and then I think let's leave. I've started. Hope everything goes well. Just quickly filling up the petrol and checking in with the tires so that we don't have a problem. So I've reached Gurgaon. अभी मैं गुड़गांव में I've stopped in a mall. I've just placed my order for a really nice salad because I really want some protein and some nice things to go in my body. I wanted to eat pele dosa, but I skipped that and I was like, I want to eat something very healthy. So let's go. This is the mall. Gurgaon malls are like really pretty. Gurgaon overall is like genuinely, I love it. Like I feel like this is better than Delhi. Okay, मैंने फटाफट I've done like basic touch-ups on my face. I've lined my lips. I have applied a lip gloss, and then I have applied some blush, just like for my face to like look fresh. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna head to the office so that we don't get late. It's 12:50 right now. We had to reach office by 1. So obviously like I'm a bit late, but let's just go and see what's it about. And it's super hot in Gurgaon. Last time जब मैं आई थी the weather was so good, and like इतनी गर्मी में ड्राइव करना is difficult. And रात को मैं hardly I slept for 2 hours, जिसकी वजह से मुझे ड्राइविंग करते हुए बहुत नींद आ रही थी. आई लिटरली हैड टू टेक लाइक अ नैप ऑफ फॉर 45 minutes बीच में कहीं, बट या लाइक दैट वाज अ सेफ स्पॉट. सो आई टुक अ नैप एज वेल, एंड आई हैव रीच्ड गुड़गांव विद इन 5 hours. So 5 hours minus 45 minutes, that's about 4.5-ish hours. So that was a pretty good time since I left early in the morning. तो बिल्कुल ट्रैफिक नहीं था. So let's just go, and then after that I'm gonna have like proper lunch. यहाँ पे I just had like a small portion of salad, but I will have lunch later, like proper lunch. So let's go. Okay, so I'm finally in the Amazon office. I'm just getting some touch-ups. अभी फटाफट touch-ups करके then we'll head. I got really late, but anyhow I know the drill. I know what to do. So I'm just gonna अभी मैं script पढ़ूँगी, फटाफट देखूँगी उसमें कि क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं. I'm just gonna coordinate with the new anchor. I thought कि I'll have the same anchor so it'll be easier, but it's a new anchor and the team is different. पूरी team ही different है. उस दिन कोई भी नहीं था. Right now we have about 10 people. So yeah, really excited for this one. It's making me a little bit nervous, but anyhow I'm ready to go, and just wish me luck. And this is my complete outfit. I'm wearing this dress. Actually I wanted to go like semi-formal, so I think it was just perfect. Like it would go with all the bags and like the golden, like these detailings and all that I've added. It'll just go with all the bags. So yeah, that's pretty much my look. Let's go. Right guys, this is the frame that I am gonna talk in Amazon Live. और ये हमारी ऐसे होती है script, by the way. Just letting everyone know that this is how we shoot. सो बेसिकली जो स्क्रिप्ट चलती है ना, उससे थोड़ी हेल्प मिलती है फॉर अस टू रिमेंबर द पॉइंट्स. वैसे तो बहुत स्पॉन्टेनियस ही बोलेंगे हम, बट स्टिल इट जस्ट हेल्प्स. दिस इज द सेटअप, द सेम सेटअप. दीज आर सच कूल बैग्स. दे हैव फ्रॉम लवी, दे हैव फ्रॉम Zook, they have from Miragio. So Kazo was also one of them, but they chucked it out. So this one's cute, and this is the team. Just being very sweet, and I completely agree. Bags are that one detail that can change your entire look, like right, from head to toe. And you could be wearing the simplest outfit, but the moment you add the right bag, everything feels right and everything changes.
And it feels together suddenly. बताइए कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है हमारी बैग को लेकर?
I think if I think about it, problem number one would be that we all have that one bag we carry everywhere, right?
Yes, absolutely, everywhere. मतलब चाहे work हो, चाहे brunch हो, maybe it's travel, same bag everywhere, everywhere.
And over time, वो ना wear out होने लग जाता है. Isn't that true?
Right, it happens with you too.
Big problem. We don't always know which bag actually goes with which outfit, so it really makes me feel confused.
So either we overthink it or just play safe.
Absolutely, you're so correct. I think like we could keep 3 go-to categories.
Right.
A work tote,
Right.
I feel like should be there. एक होना चाहिए हमारे पास casual sling के लिए,
Right.
something very casual carry करने के लिए. And the third should be a statement bag, like a very bold bag. I feel.
In fact, that way you'll always know what to pick without kind of overthinking, right?
तो मैं styling के लिए लूँ या फिर like you know कि मैं इसलिए लूँ just because it feels good or it looks good. So I think I'm very confused between the both.
मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं वो बैग्स जो अपना शेप होल्ड करके रखते हैं with components.
Absolutely, I think that is like best of both worlds, organized and stylish.
Absolutely agree.
Take it like this. I can even take it like अगर आपको style करना है तो do it like that and I can just take it like this.
Wow,
Right?
I love it. I think it's very very smart. It's very मैं कह रही थी मुझे structured bags तो ऐसे because I'm sure you would love them too. इतने प्यारे इतने
का bag हो मतलब something simple but elegant that can actually elevate any look that you have.
100%. And that's where Lavi signature really stands out. But आपके outfit को complete करते हैं.
Absolutely, and I do think like let's go on to another bag. What do you think?
Absolutely,
Let's
absolutely.
go with another look
And इसका
now.
price अगर लोग जानना चाह रहे हैं तो
Oh, yeah.
जल्दी से बता दें.
100%, yes,
Even
yes.
I want to know the price. I'm sure you must want to.
मुझे इतना पसंद आया that I was like I was gonna take it with me, but yes.
4,599 इसका MRP है, but it falls down to 2,529. रिया मतलब I really had to double check it कि सही प्राइस पढ़ा ना मैंने मुझे सच में ऐसा लग रहा है 2529.
That was such a big bag, such a big beautiful bag.
100%.
I mean that is a steal deal. अगर आपने अभी नहीं लिया तो actually you're gonna just lose the deal.
Actually,
That's
और
such a unique color.
हाँ right. Actually स्क्रीन पर थोड़ा ज़्यादा मरून लग रहा है.
Yeah.
Actually में तो it's very closer to brown.
Yeah.
You know? हाँ तो don't worry अगर स्क्रीन पे हल्के फुल्के कलर टोन्स आपको ऊपर नीचे दिख रहे हैं but ऐसा नहीं है.
Investing in a bag is not like you know कि मैं रोज invest करूँ, but like if there is something that can actually save the cloth, save the quality of the bag, it's so nice.
Why not? Let's
Right? Bag or a very big thing, or you can keep like your documents as well. And this has got like a Velcro on it, so you can just like kind of keep it like that. See, it's so huge. Huge. Like you can style it so many places where you can take it to like office, you can take it to meetings, for work days, for you know daily commute where you just want to carry it like this and just want to travel, let your hands be free.
Right.
So I think it
And Zoom has a very different taste when it comes to
actually stand out. So I'm already in love with
Yes.
that. I've never come to this part of Gurgaon and I'm really loving it. Like look at this.